Hey everybody, we're on my family's farm here and just want to show you around. Hey Rosie, how you doing, girl? How you doing? Let's see, we got the chicken pen over there. My little brother's playhouse. He barely plays in the garden. That's part of it right there. Miss Kitty Kitty, Miss Kitty Kitty, why are you out of your pose? She was in a pose earlier. Hey Miss Kitty Kitty. Hey Miss Kitty Kitty, Miss Kitty Kitty, Miss Kitty 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 Kitty. Some guineas, they're annoying. The feed room llamas, llama llama llama. Ooh, the moo moo and things. Oh no, I have to go in a second. My battery's almost dead. Ooh, and guinea. Why the heck are the guineas running that way? Oh well. Anyway, I know it's a really short video, which sucks. My battery's about to die, but do a few more minutes. There's Hillary. Hey, Hill. Oh crap, my mom's coming back.